How to create a dreamy glow cinematic effect like this using the CapCut app. Create a new project and add your video. CapCut actually has its own dreamy glow effect, and you just need to look for it in video effects. However, that is a pro feature. For the free version, do the following steps. Still in video effects, open the lens category, find and use the lens effect. Then adjust the soft light to 100. Add a second effect, this time in the retro category. And select the effect named Retro Blue. Tap Adjust, then set Sharpen to 0, Blur and Glow to 30, and Filter to 0. Finally, adjust all effect durations to the entire video. And done! Here are the results.